Hey guys, and welcome to Carguy1999 Reviews. Today I have the 2015 BMW 428i X-Drive. This car is courtesy of Werner Mazda in Manchester, New Hampshire. This one is the hardtop convertible. I'm gonna try something different with this review. Try to make it a quieter drive so you can get a feel for what the car is like. This car has 25,000 miles, or just about. Alright. You have multiple driving modes. You have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. Sport Plus turns off your traction control and dynamic traction control is activated. When you switch the driving modes, you get a display in here on the main screen letting you know what mode you're in. For this drive, I'm probably going to do Sport mode just because it is cold and rainy and I don't want to crash a car that I don't own. To put the car in drive, go ahead, hit the unlock button on the side here and push it forward for reverse, down for drive, and then you can go into manual mode by hitting the side. And BMW does it right. It's pull back for upshift, push forward for downshift. Goes with the G-forces. Go ahead, put it in normal drive for now. We'll go ahead, we'll start in Eco Pro, see what that's like. So everything is very loose. The gas pedal is not as sensitive. It's all about saving gas. That was the key. Don't worry. Man, this is a tight parking lot. I've already had enough of Eco Pro, so we'll go ahead and go into Comfort. Alright, how not to scratch the BMW is what this is going on. Alright. So in Comfort mode, everything is nice and loose. Nice, easy drive. Transmission shifts nice and early. That's not where the fun is. The fun is Sport mode. It'll hold revs for a little bit longer, keep you in the power band. This car is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder, pushing right around 250 horsepower or so. It doesn't have too bad of a sound. It's nothing like the C43 I just got out of, but it's not bad at all. Also, for those of you watching, if you want some more pictures of the car, want some of the behind the scenes of making my videos and some of the cars I see on a day-to-day basis, I have an Instagram channel now, or an Instagram page. I'll include a link down in the description below, but it's Carguy1999_Reviews. You'll see pictures of car museums I go to, car shows, and overall some of the neat stuff that I'm not going to post on the channel itself. Definitely worth a follow. Definitely no bias in that statement. Not too bad on the power front. Definitely will get up and go. Eight-speed automatic transmission. Doing right about 75 or so. We're at 2,000 RPM, right about 30 miles per gallon or so. The sound system is pretty good, just the standard BMW sound system. Very nice clarity, and it sounds pretty good. Nice quick shifts from the paddles. Yep, typical New Hampshire drivers, cutting off BMWs. Yes, you are seeing that right. That is a BMW using its turn signal. Ha 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 ha, the joke is out. They are interesting, however. So, in order to activate the turn signal, you push up. Just slightly, it does the 3 ticks. Push it up all the way, does that. In order to cancel it, you lightly tap it up, shuts off the turn signal. I'm just waiting for those comments saying, oh, BMW using its turn signal. Pretty good mechanical grip. Alright, so I guess it just merges. That's good. Man. It's an interesting day today, guys. It's our first up north in New Hampshire. We're getting snow and it's raining, so people lose all sense in how to drive. Even though that was partially my fault because didn't know that it merged like that. Oh, a GTO. I don't see many of those. Nice good 0 to 60 time there. Paddle, I love the paddles. The paddles do such a good job. When you hit it, it downshifts. It doesn't complain. Going to Sport Plus. I like this car. This is a fun car. It's really kind of cool. You can hear the turbo and it sounds very 488-esque. When I drove the 488, it has almost like a supercharger whine, but for the turbo. It's really kind of weird how it works, but you can definitely hear it in this car. Pulls right up there. I like how manual in this car is manual. It doesn't suggest you shift. It says M5 done. There's no shift indicator saying, oh, for eco mode you do this. No, it's manual, manual, manual. Done. It's awesome. I've driven a manual 340i 2018. People might hate me for this, but I almost prefer this gearbox to that manual. I did not like that manual. It had that M shift knob. Looks like something someone would put on a Honda Civic, and there was no feel in the clutch. There's no feel in the gearbox. It just wasn't a good transmission. With this, it's tuned well. You can just pull a paddle and it does what you want. Not too loud, not too quiet. Good amount of sound for a little 4-cylinder. Alright, so with that, I'll go ahead and wrap it up. This is an awesome car. It's very fun to drive, and if the weather was nice, you put the roof down. It's just a really kind of fun car. So thank you so much for watching Carguy1999 Reviews. Please stay tuned for future content, and subscribe. Check out the Instagram page. I'll go ahead, I'll post pictures of this car that I took on there. And yeah, so have a great day, guys, and thank you for watching.